Madhya Pradesh's Mao, where a departmental inquiry has been ordered against two army officials who were allegedly attacked by the now arrested six-member gang. A woman friend of theirs had been allegedly gang raped during the incident. Now, the incident reportedly occurred when the two army officers who were undergoing training at the Army War College were out on a picnic with their two women friends. All the arrested accused have a criminal background with cases of robbery, rape, and murder. The incident reportedly occurred when the two army officers who were undergoing training at the Army War College were out on a picnic with their two women friends on September 11th. The departmental inquiry against the two army officials is being headed by a senior officer of the army. Govind, my colleague, joins me for more details. Govind, as far as this unfortunate incident is concerned, but the allegations, of course, here being strong, were given to understand that the investigation in its own way has picked up pace. What have we been able to pick up so far? And if you could help us draw things into perspective as to where things stand at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely. The army word itself contains in itself the feeling of discipline, in fact. And it was definitely supposed to have the departmental inquiry, in fact, whatever the incidents took place there in that area, which was completely unfortunate, because at 11 o'clock in the night, these two army officers, in fact, 10 army officers were there with their female companions, and they stayed there till 2:30 in night. So that is somewhat questionable. That was a restricted area, wild area, in fact, covered with the mountain reason, in fact. So definitely we also had, went there for covering some ground report, and felt that definitely it was the built and isolated area where these army officers went with their female companions, and one of them was gang raped, in fact. And now, in the case update is what the departmental inquiry, in fact, the information is coming that has been ordered against these couple of trainee army officers, and all six accused have been arrested, and two were already presented in the court, and arrest four will be presented in the court. So inquiry is going on, investigation is going on, and definitely this was quite an unfortunate incident took place. You know that the crime against women is not stopping there in specifically in Malwa region, where we witnessed that in a few days ago in the constituency of CM, lady was raped on the footpath in broad daylight, and after a few days this incident comes in light, and one more incident, eve teasing, also recorded one day ago, in fact. So these one after other incidences which are quite unfortunate, but definitely in this case the development is what
we'd have to leave the conversation at that for the moment, but thank you very much for joining us in the broadcast and getting us the latest as far as what we're picking up with this matter.